Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another deep dive into the fascinating world of the internet. Today, I'm diving into the hidden corners of the internet, a place that many have heard of, but few truly understand. This mysterious realm is often shrouded in secrecy and misconceptions. Yes, I'm talking about the dark web. So, what exactly is the dark web, and why does it exist? Unlike the surface web that we use daily for social media, online shopping, and news, the dark web is a part of the deep web that's intentionally hidden. It requires special software to access, like the Tor browser, which anonymizes your internet activity. Within this hidden network, you'll find a range of activities, some of which are quite nefarious, illegal activities, black markets, and more. But it's not all doom and gloom. The dark web also serves as a crucial platform for privacy. Whistleblowers and journalists in oppressive regimes often rely on it to communicate safely. Now, let's delve deeper into its impact on the world and why it matters to you. The dark web has been a double-edged sword. On one hand, it provides a refuge for those seeking anonymity and freedom of speech. For activists and dissidents, this can be a lifeline, allowing them to share information without fear of retribution. On the other hand, it's a breeding ground for cybercrime. The anonymity it offers is a double-edged sword, enabling malicious actors to operate with impunity. From selling stolen data to illicit substances, the dark web has become a hub for black market transactions that can have far-reaching consequences on global security and individual privacy. The ripple effects of these activities can be felt worldwide, affecting everything from financial systems to personal safety. So, what can you do to protect yourself in this complex digital landscape? First, always use strong, unique passwords for different accounts. This is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. A password manager can be a lifesaver here, helping you keep track of complex passwords without the hassle. Second, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for hackers to gain access. Think of it as a second lock on your digital door. Third, be cautious about the websites you visit and the links you click. Phishing scams and malware are lurking everywhere, waiting for an opportunity to strike. Always double-check the source before clicking on any link or downloading any file. And of course, never, ever access the dark web without knowing what you're doing. It's like walking into a dark alley in an unfamiliar city. You wouldn't do it without some precautions. The risks are real, and the consequences can be severe. In summary, while the dark web is a fascinating part of the internet, it comes with significant risks. By staying informed and taking basic security measures, you can protect yourself and your data. Remember, the best way to stay safe is to stay smart. Educate yourself about the potential dangers and take proactive steps to safeguard your online presence. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay safe out there. The internet is a powerful tool, but it's up to us to use it wisely. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep safe.